Hello guys, for those of you that have been following me on this channel, I started a tutorial called how to start a poultry farm. Today is 2 weeks since I started this journey. Look at how big they are now after 14 days. This is their vaccine, which I'm going to mix it with water and give to them. I'm going to give them this vaccine every 7 days. I was giving them last week, which was 7 days. Today is day 14, so I'm going to be giving them this vaccine. In the next 1 month, I'm going to be giving them this vaccine, which is 4 weeks. Look at the water measurement. The reason for the vaccine is to prevent external illness that may affect them later in future. Please, if you have any question, just drop a comment. Before I gave them this vaccine, I have to starve them with water for like 1 to 2 hours. That's why I see them rushing to drink the vaccine. And once they have done drinking the vaccine, you have to throw it away, change it, and put new water for them to drink, because the vaccine is not supposed to last for more than 45 minutes to 50 minutes, depending on the type you are using. In here, I have changed their floor with using rice chaff, and also their drinker and their water containers and eating containers. I have changed it. They have now grown, so they are now qualified to drink with this kind of container. Guys, keep watching, and I will keep updating you with how far the birds are growing. So make sure you subscribe to this channel to get more updates.